the pain I was in, the agony, my scalp, I looked at my scalp, it was red. When I tell you, like, I was literally in the shower, like in fetal position, because trying to get this thing out of my hair because it hurt so bad. What's up, everyone? It's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video on this Thanksgiving Day. I hope you guys are eating good food or ate good food and are spending good time with your families and friends and, you know, anyone you're spending Thanksgiving with. It's been 2 years. No, it's been almost 2 years since I have uploaded a video on this channel. Me sitting here recording right now, like I don't even know what this is. Once I turned the camera on, it was like a missing piece of the puzzle of my life. Like, you know, I feel like this is what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, that's too much. For the longest time, I didn't think I would come back. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't think I would come back. The more days and months went by, it was like I just could not stop thinking of recording and making videos and, you know, just getting back into the swing of it. I had to come back to stop the nagging of my inner being wanting to record. So for my first video back of being gone for so long, I wanted to give you guys my experience of what an Scurl has done to my hair after using it for 13 years. Now I realize saying that I've used an Scurl for 13 years kind of shows my age a little bit, because I'm sure a lot of you all who are watching 13 years ago, you were probably either in diapers or just getting out of diapers. I started putting a texturizer in my hair before I even started a YouTube channel. There were times when I would use a Scurl, a texturizer, then I would stop using it for like, you know, 6 months, or I'll stop using it for like a year, then I'll start using it again, then I'll stop. So I guess it wasn't like consistently for 13 years, but I never cut all my hair off. So it was still, for the most part, in my hair for about 13 years. My biggest takeaway, my biggest lesson learned about using a texturizer for so long is there's a lot of breakage. A lot of breakage, a lot of shedding. I fight with it every day to maintain it, you know, condition, shampoo, putting like a styling cream, anything like that. Any type of style I'm doing with my hair, there's always gonna be hair falling out. There's always hair falling out. Like, it's just to the point where it got my brain expecting hair to fall out. So when I see other people, like, they're combing their hair out or they're washing their hair, and I'm like, where's the hair? Where's the hair that falls out? They're like, my hair that falls out, there's no hair. No, it's just my hair, because of course I'm putting this chemical in my hair for years now. There's been times when I'm putting a texturizer in, you know, there's so much hair that falls out, I'll get scared. I'm like, oh my God, this is it. Like, all my hair is coming out. Like, this is the end. Like, there's no more hair. There's no more channel. Like, that's it. Like, they're not gonna wanna watch. I'm bald. My hair is not gonna grow back. Guys, I thought it was the end. My hair is still there. But I have noticed over the years though, over the 13 years, I will say that my hair is thinner. When I first started doing my texturizing videos, I used to say, oh, I use the red box because I have thicker hair, and the Luster's Scurl red box, the extra strength. My hair, it doesn't have as much volume as it used to. Second thing I've noticed, my hair definitely has changed colors. I know some of you have asked that in the comments at some point, if the Scurl like changed your hair color, and I do think that it does. I think the chemical, because my hair used to be like really black. Like, it used to be like a jet black type of color. And now it's more of like it has like a hint of maybe like a burgundy. It's still black, it's just not as black anymore, if that makes sense. It's very subtle. Like, no one's ever gonna look at my hair and be like, oh my gosh, your hair is red or your hair is burgundy. No, I just noticed it. And if you look at it in the sun, you know, you'll notice it like a rust red type of color. You know, it's not like I said, it's not like immediately noticeable, but I notice it because I noticed what my hair color used to be. So I've thought about like dyeing it back black, like a jet black, but I've thought about it, I just never done it. The third takeaway I've noticed is dry scalp. Dry scalp is probably, I would say dry scalp is the second biggest. The biggest thing about using an Scurl for so long is the shedding, the breakage, the hair falling out. Second biggest thing is probably dry scalp. Dry scalp is definitely guaranteed, almost guaranteed, when you're using a texturizer or S-curl. I think any chemical, because it does all that, is why my hair care routine has to be A1, and it is A1. Like, I'm very particular about the products that I put in my hair and maintaining it every week and doing what I need to do to make sure that I can keep the hair that I have as long as I can on my head. When I first started putting an S-curl in my hair in the beginning days, I wasn't taking care of my hair as much as I do now. So when I used to put the S-curl in my hair, my scalp used to be so dry. I would put it in my hair and it felt like there was like a ball of fire on my head. Like, it felt like everywhere was burning. Like my entire scalp was burning. I remember it's like vivid in my head. It's like I can remember it as if it was like literally yesterday. The thing about it was it burned so bad. Trying to wash it out was worse. Like the water felt like it was like acid. But in the back of my head, I'm like, I have to get this out of my hair, because otherwise my hair is either gonna fall out or it's just gonna be bone straight. Like, I don't want bone straight hair. I don't want my hair to fall out. Like, I need to get this out of my hair. So I had to like just suck it up and just wash my hair. And the pain I was in, like, it just was, I looked at my scalp, it was red. It was red. Like, it was red. Like, the inside was like around here was red. Like, it just was, obviously it was my scalp was very irritated, and I didn't lose my hair. It was still on my head. When I tell you, like, I was literally in the shower, like in fetal position, because trying to get this thing out of my hair because it hurt so bad. In order to avoid that, if you do decide to put an S-curl in your hair, just don't wash your hair before you put one. I think that was one of the other bigger mistakes that I did, is wash my hair before I put the S-curl in, because when you wash your hair and you wash out, you know, the natural oils in your hair, you're stripping your hair of what will protect your scalp and your hair from how harsh the chemical can get in your hair. I'm sure there was like micro tears in my scalp. I'm sure there was that in there. It's like you having a cut on your hand and then you put a chemical on it. Obviously it's gonna burn. It's like putting alcohol on a cut. It's gonna burn. And so I think there was like micro tears in my scalp, and I put that S-curl in there, and yeah, you can only imagine how that was. So dry scalp. I don't know why I put myself through that. And the crazy part about it, I still decided to put it in my hair again after that, because here we are with this video. That was years ago, and here we are. It don't hurt like that anymore, like that one time. Yeah, guys, so that is my biggest takeaways from, you know, using an S-curl for the past 13 years that I have been using it. Would I recommend you to use an S-curl for your hair? It just depends on what type of hairstyle you want. You know, you can definitely achieve curls naturally. So, you know, you can always go the natural route. I just decided not to go the natural route. I just wanted to use an S-curl. To me, it was easier to get the curls that way. I feel like going the natural route, you know, it takes a little more work, and I think the curls look different. Like, natural curls look different than the curls that I have with the texturizer. I think it's two different types of curls, and I like the curls that I have with the S-curl versus, you know, the natural curls. So it's just my preference. Yeah, guys, this feels great. Like, it feels great to be back. Like, I can't wait to make other videos. Let me know in the comments any videos you guys want me to do. I will make sure to do it. If you guys have any questions on, you know, anything I talked about, anything about the S-curl or anything like that, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to, of course, subscribe for more videos, because they will be coming. I will be posting all throughout the holiday season and into 2025, so make sure you're subscribed. I will see you all in my next video.